The crime horrified a neighborhood all too familiar with violence. Now a jury will decide the fate of 3 men accused of killing an 8-year-old St. Petersburg girl. Eric Waxler is at the Pinellas County Courthouse, where both sides had one final chance to talk to the jury. Good evening, Eric.
Hi, Linda, and the jury is just about to start deliberations. That after the judge finished up final instructions just moments ago on the 4th floor here at the courthouse. Both sides did get in their closing arguments. Now, the defense didn't call any witnesses in this case, and the defendants didn't testify. So their attorneys spent today trying to convince a jury that their clients are either innocent altogether or at least deserving of lesser charges.
Y'all can have a seat for a minute.
There are 3 men on trial for killing 8-year-old Paris Whitehead Hamilton. Each has his own attorney, so that meant 3 separate closing statements. Stephen Harper's attorney says his client deserves a lesser charge because while he was there, he never fired a gun.
You are the conscience of the community. You have to decide, based upon the actions, what is the fair thing to do.
The attorney representing DeAndre Davis told the jury the state's key witness, the driver of the car used in the shooting, is not credible.
If you believe Mario Walls, then we've got some trouble.
And finally, Dong Nguyen's lawyer says his client was an outsider falsely accused to protect other gang members.
There's not one piece of evidence here today in that whole mountain of evidence, not one that has Mr. Nguyen's fingerprint.
Assistant State Attorney Richard Ripplinger held up a picture of Paris as he told the jury the evidence does show the 3 defendants committed the crime as a group together.
The only people placed in that street when those rounds are going through the house are them.
And if Paris wasn't the intended target, prosecutors told the jury the law says the defendants are still guilty of first-degree murder. 8-year-old Paris was sleeping in the front bedroom in April 2009 when at least 56 shots were fired at the home on Preston Avenue.
But there is one entry wound into her chest, and there are multiple exit wounds. Because bullets like this fracture. And a bullet like this fractured inside of her caused life-ending damage to her little 8-year-old body.
There were 9 people in that house, including the intended target, but only Paris was hit that night. Again, jury deliberations about to start any minute, and they are expected to continue well into the evening. Live at the Pinellas County Courthouse, Eric Waxler, ABC Action.